Bumisita sa Dublin ang Miss Earth Northern Ireland para magmodelo sa Pinoy photographers at sa sikat na Filipino hat designer. Nag-aaral din siya ng konting Tagalog at nakipag-meeting pa sa mga Pinoy sa Dublin. Mula Dublin may balitang global si Orly de los Santos.
Mainit na tinanggap ng mga Pinoy dito sa Dublin ang nagwaging Miss Earth Northern Ireland 2014, Justin McElhenney, para maging model ng Pinoy photographers at ng sikat na Filipino milliner o hat designer sa Dublin. Nakisalamuha siya sa mga Pinoy, kumain ng mga lutong Pinoy at nag-aral ng Tagalog.
I'm absolutely overwhelmed with the amount of support I've gained from Filipino fans, and I expect the Philippines to have endearing and such welcoming people.
Malaking karangalan daw para sa sikat na Pinoy milliner o hat designer dito sa Dublin na maging bahagi ang kanyang hat designs para sa portfolio ni Justin.
One of my collections, which is Enchanted, which is inspired from our folklore with Maria Makiling. So that's the first thing that comes to my mind about it, more kind of a fairy tale.
Justin is beautiful and has a good shape, and the way when I tell her, well, easy to direct. The lips, there's a mole in his face, and the way she talks and smiles, little bit similarity to Ann Curtis.
Believe si Justin sa mga beauty pageant ng Pilipinas.
Beauty pageants in the Philippines is a very big thing compared to what it is here in Northern Ireland. In the Philippines, their beauty queens are absolutely beautiful, and there's no doubt about that.
Humanga rin si Justin sa Pinoy nurses dahil dito siya ay kumukuha ng kursong nursing. Gusto niyang tumulong sa mga batang Pinoy na may sakit at walang pampagamot.
I mentioned San Jose Hospital in Batangas. I've seen pictures of the hospital and the children there, and some of them are in ill health, and some of them need a lot of medical care, which just some families don't have.
Sa maikling panahong nakasama niya ang mga Pinoy, nagsample siya ng ilang Tagalog na natutunan.
Some Tagalog I've learned today is Mabuhay Philippines, Salamat po.
Orly de los Santos, ABS-CBN News, Dublin, Ireland.